My dear students, thank you so much. And now we'll discuss transformation of sentences, complex, simple, and compound. And already I have discussed and I have shown you some tips, easy tips, how we'll try our best to complex into simple and compound. And in the same way, I'm here today to discuss some tips, and which will be helpful for you to make a complex sentence into simple and compound. Okay, now let's go to our main point. You see, there are hundreds and thousands of rules of transformation of sentences. It is very tough and very difficult and for the students sometimes, and especially for the students it is again so tough. So I'm here with some easy tips to show you. I'm here with easy tricks to show you here to transform our complex sentence into simple and compound. Okay, now let's start. Okay, you see example here. We work hard. We work hard. We work hard so that we work hard so that we can shine in life. We can shine in life. You see, my dear students, this is a sentence and it is a complex sentence. And how will turn the sentence into simple? Here, one tip is very important, very easy for us. Adverbial phrase. And it is very easy, and you know that the adverbial phrase, how will make the adverbial phrase, and how will turn the clause into an adverbial phrase. Okay, you see here, adverbial phrase is very easy. It means reasons. It means purpose. If a phrase, if a clause means the reason or the purpose, and then it is an adverbial phrase or clause. Okay, you see here, we work hard so that we can shine in life. So here, so that, jahate, I mean that it is purpose. We can shine in life. This is purpose. We can shine in life. This is purpose or reason, and this is why we work hard. We can shine in life, and this is purpose, and this is why we work hard. So we can understand easily that this is a adverbial clause. Okay, now come to our main point, how we will turn the phrase, how we will turn the clause into phrase. And you must use the infinitive, and using infinitive we can make it turn into simple sentence. Okay, we work hard. We work hard to, or in order to, or in order to. To or in order to shine in life. Shine in life. Shine in life. We work hard to or in order to shine in life. We work hard. We work hard and to or in order to shine in life. Here, so that and we can. Instead of so that we can use here to or in order to. To or in order to. So we work hard to shine in life, we work hard in order to shine in life. This is simple and very easy. Not tough, not difficult as you think. But actually it is very easy, very easy, very easy. Okay, next we make it compound. How? We'll make it compound. You know that there are two clauses in compound sentence. So we should make it two clauses. We should turn the sentence into two clauses. Okay, we work hard to or in order to shine life. Here, one thing is important for us, that we have to know that. We have to know that. But what? What is that? We can shine a light. Here, we want to shine. We want to shine in life. We want to shine in life. And so we work hard. Work hard. This is compound. Here, my students, so honorable viewers, you see here, we want to shine in life. This is want to or want. This is a new word, want. It means wish. It means wish, eagerness, interested. And so instead of this, we must use here want. Because of having a complete meaning, having a same meaning. So we must use here want. We want to shine in life. আমরা কি করতে চাই? উন্নতি করতে চাই এবং এজন্যই আমরা কি করি? কাজ করি. This is the Bengali meaning. We want to shine in life and so we work hard. And you see here, the place is changed. We can shine in life is the last position, but we have taken the clause in the first position. In the first position. And the first clause, the first position, the first clause of the first position we have taken in the last position, And why? In order to or to keep the meaning same. Keep the meaning same. Keep the meaning same, we have turned the place. We have transformed the place. Okay, and in this way we'll try our level best to make or to turn the transformation sentence into complex compound and simple complex compound. Okay, no problem. And if we, my dear students or viewers, you see here that if we now make the simple sentence into complex, to or in order to, instead of to or in order to, we will use so that. And next you see, as we have displaced the clauses, and in order to complex, we will do the same work, and then we will be able to make the complex sentence into simple compound or compound into simple and complex. Okay, this is the way and how we'll make complex sentence into simple sentence and compound sentence. Okay, thank you. Bye.